Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alecia Lott, and this channel is for those of you who want to have a journaling routine that is messy, minimalist, and low budget, and for those of you who want to use journaling for mental health, growth, and feelings and stuff. This is my weekly spread video that I do every Sunday, and I have a question for the week, and that is, was that a waste of time or nah? I guess that's two questions. We do live in such a hustle, productivity culture right now where if every minute's not accounted for, then somehow it's wasted. And sometimes it's not like that. Sometimes it is just that you want to do nothing. Sometimes you just want to sleep that extra hour, or you want to spend a little more time watching television with a family member, or you want to finish reading that chapter in that book. Is that wasted time or not? You have to decide that for yourself. And I found a quote. I don't know if John Lennon actually said this, or there's so many versions of this quote online when I did my little Googling. So just take this with a grain of salt. But I want you to remember, if you enjoyed the time you wasted, then it wasn't wasted time. So yeah, if we think of it, and if we take out the word time and put money, if you buy a new pair of shoes that you like, or if you spend money on a vacation that you've been really wanting to go on, that's not, even though it's not the most practical thing, like yes, you should spend that money on bills or pay your taxes or whatever, but as long as you can afford it, and as long as it's something that's bringing value to your life, or building memories or something like that, then that's not wasted money. That's money that's going toward enriching your life. And so it's the same thing with time. If the time you spent is something that is going to bring value to your life, if it's something that is enjoyable to you, if it's something that you will look back on fondly maybe one day in the future, then no, that's not wasted time. Think about times in your life when you have said to yourself, oh, I have wasted my time, or someone else has wasted my time, or if someone has said to you, you should do the, anytime the word should, we know that's a bad word. You should be doing this or that with your time, or I should be over here doing this instead of doing that I really enjoy or really love. Of course you can't do enjoyable things all the time, but sometimes, what's the point of living if you can't enjoy some of your time, right? So I want you to just think about that and fight against that hustle mentality of always multitasking and always trying to fill every moment with something that's quote unquote productive. Yeah. On that note, let's make our weekly spread, shall we? All right, so we are on the week of May 5th through 11th. So this is my habit tracker. These are the things that I plan to do on a daily basis. Some weeks are better than others. And now it's time for me to do my to-do list on the bottom half of this page. So I just write each day of the week, and then I put either 2 or 3 check marks underneath each day depending on what day it is, and I just try to limit myself to no more than 3 to 4 tasks per day that I want to get done. Every fucking time. Normally in this section I have a calendar stamp that I use, and I just stamp the full month of May in here, but I'm moving. My calendar stamp is already packed away. Stupidly, I don't know why I put it away. So I'm just going to draw the calendar freehand, and we will see how this looks. So, not too bad with the hand-drawn calendar. It will do for this week, and I go ahead and just highlight the week that we're in, and I put circles for my paydays because I likes to know when I'm getting paid. That helps me stay motivated with work. And yeah, I'll probably circle some other important days when I think of them. Okay, now I'm going to work on this side. I have my weekly tasks up here. Middle section will be my quarterly goals, and then last section will be kind of mystery free section lately. So we will see what I come up with. I don't know yet. Alright, so these are the tasks that I would like to do at least this week. I have walk outside 30 minutes, but today I'm not, because it's raining. I'm not quite that dedicated yet. I don't walk in the rain outside, but I'm sure I can do at least 3 over the course of this coming week. I want to this week try and do a group fitness class. That is one of my goals for this quarter, is to do fitness classes every week. And with the move, I don't know, this will be my first week in the new place and in a new city altogether, so we will see. I know there are places near where I live though where I can go and do a class, but yeah, I figured this is helping me with my fitness, of course, with my health, and also helping me be more social and be out amongst people. And also I do have a social event or gathering I want, so separate from the fitness class. So it's probably going to be something very low-key, like a co-working event or something like that, where we just meet up at a coffee shop and just bring our laptops and just work. But we will see. But I want to see if I can find something this week to do. And next, I want to do over the course of the week 70,000 steps, which is 10,000 steps a day. That's my goal. Now it is time to look at my second quarter goals and get those down on paper. And these are my goals for the second quarter of 2024. I have removed Spanish as a daily task because it's just not something that I really want to focus on anymore. I'm so glad that I completed this audio course because it was something that I did every day. I think it kind of strengthened my discipline and strengthened my ability to be able to set a goal and actually accomplish that goal. So that made me feel good. After I finished this course, I had to sit and think, do I want to continue studying Spanish for 30 minutes every day, day in and day out? And if so, what type of study do I want to do? And I was kind of lost on that, and I was looking at different courses, and I realized that I don't really have any clear goals for Spanish outside of, just wanting to do well for my job, and now I don't even care about that. It's just not something that I really need to put as much energy toward, I don't think, because I want to use Spanish for travel and for meeting people on a social level. So that's where I want to keep it. I still will listen to Spanish podcasts and do things more on just a very casual level, but I don't think I need to really be like daily listening to audio lessons. So anyway. So in this mystery section, I was just thinking about the move, of course, and I just wanted to kind of have an intention for the week. I do different things down here. I have for the past few weeks just because I'm too chicken to do any sort of long-term goal planning just yet. So this week I wrote, what is my intention for the week? And I don't know if I really answered the question, but to transition into my new home smoothly and relatively drama-free, and to start to meet my neighbors and build a community in my new old city. I wrote old just because this is actually my hometown, so I'm making a full circle. I will bring curiosity, positive energy, and an open heart to my new home. I hope they are ready for me. So there we are. This is my weekly spread. I am just elated for the start of this week. I'm ready to go to my new place, and I'm so glad that you are here with me. I hope this was helpful for you to get started for your week as well. And please leave me a comment. Let me know, was there ever a situation that you initially thought was a waste of time, but that turned out to be very productive indeed, whether that was just getting more sleep, connecting with a friend, doing laundry, whatever it might have been. Was that a waste of time or nah? Yes, let me know in the comments, and please leave me a like if this video was valuable or helpful to you in any way down below, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. I will bring you more journaling, more life questions, and just more exploring feelings and goals and stuff. So I hope you will join me for that, and I give you an upside down wave goodbye. Have a great week.